applause. Okay, so thank you. Okay, so hello everyone. Okay, so for those you know me or you don't know me, so let me introduce myself. Okay, my name is Susan. Okay, so I also need to appreciate my direct mentor. I thank you for the diamond. He can give me this opportunity, okay, to have a sharing with everyone, okay, in this room. Okay, just nak tanya lah, okay, for those bukan speaker, kena mute kan you punya
Dia tu.
Teddy.
Sebelah kosan tu dia.
Teddy, I need your help. Yeah, you can mute those are not speaker. You mute it first. Okay, so not interrupt for the whole session. Okay, so I share my screen first. Then okay, semua orang boleh nampak slide Boleh dah? Boleh ya? Clear Okay. Okay, so hari ini saya pernah topik okay, yang we learn, okay, how to become a good leader, okay. We learn how to become a good leader, okay. Bukan saya yang the best one, okay. I think I need to work hard until I become crown ambassador. Even sekarang Nino pun work for basic, okay, to one more round. So I mean like we learn together how to become a good leader, okay. So kalau hari ini you nak jadi orang yang boleh untung duit, okay, boleh jadi wellness dalam bisnes ini, you mesti learn to become a good leader, okay. Sebab you boleh nampak semua bisnes atau kita cakap profesional pernah bekerja, that is why mereka boleh untung duit yang sebab mereka actually at the position is like a director, betul right? Only managing director boleh untung banyak duit. Only manager, general manager, CEO, Southern CEO, okay, those people they can untung duit. So in general, okay, in this business, okay, we coming here, okay, first kita become a follower first. Lepas you jadi follower, okay, then we learn to become a good leader. Good leader can let you to have time and financial freedom in the future. So that is why today we have this topic, okay? We build our character, okay, as a good leader. Okay, first, okay, so sekarang kita sekali belajar ni lah, okay, apa characteristics, okay, as a good leader. First, integrity. Okay, maksudnya hari ini you kena jadi orang yang seorang, kalau ada apa, kita cakap team ada apa problem, masalah, if let's say mereka willing to look for you, okay, which mean the person believe in you, percaya on you, so they look for you. Okay, apa is as a leader we have to reply is we need to reply, okay, within 24 jam. Okay, kalau hari ini you tak dapat reply, okay, you have to let people to know tomorrow I will answer your question. Integrity. Okay, first thing. Okay, maksudnya hari ini apa yang I try to convince to everyone is, okay, we need to study together, okay, how to become a good leader and to perform a good leadership, so our business can be grow up. Okay, so lagi pun secondly, okay, ability to delegate, maksudnya how you transfer your power, okay, to your business partner. Sebab di business ni kita actually nak lead everyone to jadi leader. Only kita lead people jadi leader, we can become diamond. Okay, so that is why we need to learn how to transfer power to our next leader. Ini second thing. Okay, third thing, okay, you have to learn how to communicate with your team. Okay, as long as you communicate the right message and also lead them a good direction, they will follow you. So the communicate also very important in this business. Number 4, self-awareness. Self-awareness maksudnya sekarang you nampak you punya team. Kalau you punya team, kita kena tengoklah, okay, ada apa cabaran saya punya team menghadapi. Sebab every outlet, okay, punya leader, dia sendiri punya team, ada different punya problem, different punya cabaran. Tapi bukan tak boleh breakthrough. Dia memang ada cara breakthrough. It is how you aware the problem, then you teach mereka, okay, sekali solve the problem. Number 4, self-awareness, okay. Number 5, a good leader is always showing the gratitude, okay, gratitude spirit to their mentor, okay. So if let's say, because we only have one upline, tapi we have many downline, if let's say all our downline is appreciate their upline, we can form, okay, kita cakap the team of unity. We can form this culture, and this is the TQG punya culture. Okay, actually cultivate us. Okay, have a sense of gratitude to people. Okay, number 6. Okay, learning agility. Maksudnya learning agility, dia actually ada 4 factor. Okay, first factor is a mentality. Second is people. Okay, ketiga is chance. Okay, the last one is result. Which mean hari ini you punya mentor, you prepare well to jadi as an entrepreneur or not, or you still set yourself as an employee. Okay, if let's say you set yourself as an employee, okay, so you have to set your mindset to become a businessman or businesswoman first. Okay, second, okay, we learning agility. Okay, we must know your people. Okay, your people punya character, your people punya habit, your people punya way of thinking. Okay, this is your homework. Okay, to study them. Okay, number ketiga yang change. Okay, you have to change according to your leader. Okay, dulu I punya personality, actually saya punya personality yang orang yang sangat details, and I am an introvert. Okay, tapi when I come to this business, I meet some business partner, they are extrovert. So I have to learn how to become an extrovert when I work with them. Okay, so this is something that I need to change myself. Okay, so a good leader is not like they want people follow them. Okay, they're willing to change something. Okay, they don't like. Okay, but they were willing to cooperate with the person. Okay, number 4 is the result. It's all the learning agility is a complete set. Okay, then you can see the result. If you cannot see the result, you have to go back to change your mentality. Okay, and then study your paper. Okay, change yourself, and then you see whether the result come out or not. Okay, number 7 is able to influence people. It's not people influence you. This is something very important. Okay, we're doing this business, we grow our mindset, we're able to influence people to work with us. Okay, and not we work with others to work with others to do other things. Okay, so ability to influence people. Why you have the ability to influence people? Because you are very understand what you are doing. So you know this is the best. Okay, you not follow others chasing money. Okay, you learn how to create a pipeline to let money, okay, automatically masuk you punya pocket. Okay, this is called, kita cakap satu buku, Parable Pipeline. Okay, dia ada mention ini. Okay, ke-8, okay, semua orang ada different punya weakness. Saya pun ada saya punya weakness. Okay, so we show empathy. Okay, so this is how we can make a close relationship with kita punya business partner. Number 9 is courage. You berani or not? You confident or not? You berani in doing something that you never do before or not? Okay, courage. Later I show you example how I show my courage. Okay, to my business partner. Number 10, respect. Sebab when I starting do the business, actually I already starting to create a multi-region, okay, team in my business. Sebab when I meet with people, I chat with people, okay, so I got different punya religious punya people into my network. So I learn how to respect each other, respect their religious, respect their mind, okay, and then respect them. And some more, they are all elder than me. Okay, in this business, especially for those that have a high ping level, they are elder than me. So I also learn how to respect them. Okay, so 10 characteristics of a good leader, you sudah semua complete ada dah. Okay, it doesn't mean I need you to learn everything. Okay, in a year, in a month. I mean that you slowly to build it. If you feel something that you are not stronger, you build that one. Okay, you rasa macam mana satu, macam you punya weakness. For example, communication, yang you tu punya weakness. Okay, tapi learning agility is your punya strength. Then you learn how to expand your strength. Okay, then you take time, okay, to improve your weakness. Okay, this is how a leader is a person who keep showing their spirit in keep learning. Okay, those is a characteristic of good leader. Semua orang ada record it down? Okay, kalau record it down, okay, we talk one by one. Okay. Okay, first, okay, so I'm gonna mention about, okay, everyone other different punya perception. Okay, doesn't mean correct or incorrect. Okay, in Chinese, okay, we got a philosophy called yin yang, which means a person, you look at this person is not bad that much. Okay, must be have strength. Okay, if let's say this person look like it's very strong, but must be have weakness inside. Okay, so in Chinese called yin yang. Okay, but if I say not understand, see the below photo. Okay, nampak dah? Okay, sekarang ini foto. Okay, dia punya right hand side is circle, dia punya left hand side is, okay, square. Okay, tapi at the middle is a cylinder. Okay, if people, okay, looking from the right hand side, they say this is circle, but on the left hand side, the people say it's square. Okay, which means who is wrong, who is correct? No people is wrong, no people is correct. Just like we how to stand on the people view to understand whether it's correct or not. Okay, because perception is different. Okay, sama yang nampak gambar atas. Okay, 6 atau 9. Okay, different way of looking the thing. Okay, ada orang cakap 6, ada orang cakap 9. Tapi kita cakap bukan 6, bukan 9. Oh, it's correct. Okay, just like how you learn, okay, to be flexible. Okay, in this business. Okay, stand from different view. Okay, so actually, I punya background, I kerja dalam lab. since kecil I sudah stay at the lab. Okay, when I was 15 years old, I study science 3. Okay, 19 years old, I choose study biotech. I working in a lab. Okay, so I mean like actually in this few years, I also learn how to build my leadership. This is something that kita punya university data ajar kita punya. I boleh guarantee sebab I study university, I know. Okay, when I come to work pun tak tahu orang ajar saya, okay, how is the leadership going on, okay, what is the point I need to focus on, tak tahu orang ajar saya. Tapi in TQG, sebab kita nak build ourselves become a diamond, so TQG teach you leadership, okay, so that is why today, hari ini, you listen topik ini, sebab ini yang something outside people tak tahu ajar you, okay, only TQG teach you, so we give loud applause for TQG. Okay, sebab I am the product of TQG, so we give loud applause for TQG. Okay, so ini yang something you kena tahu. Okay, sebab different view, lagipun different punya environment, dia punya ajar pun different. Okay, bukan cakap university tak baik. Okay, sebab sama lah. Okay, I nampak cycle, people nampak bukan circle. Okay, so sekolah ajar you nampak square, tapi when you come out to society, you nampak circle. So it doesn't mean wrong or incorrect. Okay, just like you know what you do or not. Okay, ini sangat penting. This is your own mindset. Okay, so every time I always say to people, this is an old saying, nothing in life is to be fear. Leadership macam complicated tapi bukan complicated. As long as you take time to understand more, okay, you akan rasa ini yang sangat senang punya skills, okay. You boleh ada skill ini, okay. So it's very easy, just like you willing to understand, practice more or not, okay. When you practice more, you takkan rasa you takut, okay. Nanti I tunjuk you sikit gambar, okay, how I overcome my fears, okay. So sekarang, okay, you sudah tahu, you nak build business team. Okay, you must own the ability. Okay, in skills. Secondly, fire up yourself and activate others. Fire up people. Okay, this is 3 things. Okay, you kena sangat sure. Okay, apa yang you nak jadi. Okay, apa ability you mesti ada. Okay, this is a 3 skills. Okay, and all of these are soft skill. Dia bukan hard skill. Okay, di business ni hard skill, for example, fix appointment, ajar people, and then belajar value punya master value punya STP, then present to people, itu panggil hard skill, okay? Tapi hari ini we talk about soft skill, okay? So hari ini kalau you rasa leadership, macam saya pun tak berapa faham apa leadership, okay? Make it sweet and short is you concern people, boleh dah? Okay, jadi listener, okay? Learn people, okay? Learn to know these people more, so you need to listen more. You ask more questions, and then you let these people answer more about their life, okay? Sebab, okay, people concern how much you concern on them, their dream, their goal, their mindset. Bukan you punya thinking, you punya goal, you punya mindset. Okay, that is why in TQG will always say, you're just helping people to reach their goal, reach their dream. You can reach your dream and your goal. So, kita mesti tahu, okay, at here, sikit terbalik. We not focus on ourselves, we focus on our business partner. Okay, they come as first. We help them to solve their problem. Okay, we understand what they need. Okay, so we able to help them. Okay, so ini panggil leadership punya business. So we have to learn something, okay, about charismatic. Okay, maksudnya the character. Okay, you mesti kena build up. The first is you able to develop vision for your punya business partner. Macam kita punya diamond. Okay, apa vision mereka develop yang when mereka jadi diamond, okay, mereka can have a comfortable life. Okay, with a big house. Okay, so this is the vision. Okay, that develop to their team. If you do enough of work at the beginning, okay, when you jadi diamond, you can have a freedom of life. Macam Mr. Key, okay, Tuesday pergi memancing ikan. Tak tahu boleh cakap memancing ikan tak? Sebab tak tahu legal atau tak legal, tapi dia pergi memancing ikan. Maksudnya, dia boleh kasih saya tengok apa. You learn how to become a leader in the future, you can memancing ikan. You don't need to take care of the business, but the business will grow themselves. Okay, first thing, you're able to develop vision for your business partner or not. Secondly, sell the vision, okay? Contohnya sekarang, you belum reach certain level of lifestyle, tak apa, okay? You sudah tahu TQG boleh kasih orang financial and time freedom, you sell the vision. Sometimes how I sell the vision is, I cakap Mr. Key punya story, okay? I cakap Miss Chan punya story. Miss Chan dulu kerja di Singapore, sebab of this business, they able to come back, okay? They no need Singapore income, they no need suffer for the jam. Okay, tapi dia able to balik Malaysia because of this business. Sell the vision, sell the story. Okay, atau Mr. Key Key punya story. Mr. Key punya story sangat senang, okay? Dulu dia traditional businessman, tapi sekarang dia boleh memancing ikan, tapi dia boleh playing badminton every day. I tanya Mr. Key, sudah pergi playing badminton tak? Dia cakap sudah. MCO habis, dia cakap dia main badminton 7 hari. Oh, saya nampak, okay, 7 hari. Okay, so we can see our leader can become freedom, okay? That because of at the beginning, okay, they act as a leader first, okay? So inspire me, okay, to build my leadership, okay? Ketiga, okay, fighting the way forward. Maksudnya you have to learn how to solve your team problem. So your value will tambah value, okay? None of us, okay, actually can have value first, okay? But we learn to solve people problem. So people need our help, okay? They will look for us, okay? So we can work together, okay? So at the same time, we can upgrade our own self value because this is my value. I can help people, okay? Then people can feel my value. So they're willing to work with me. So ini sangat penting. So for example, I give some contoh sahaja, okay? Mesti faham website lah, okay? Orang tanya, pakai mana cari PV lah. Hari ini yang faham cari PV tak? Okay, nak tahu produk ini produk bermanfaat, ciri-ciri, okay? I able to cari kasih orang tak? Okay? So ini those kita cakap yang basic punya solving problem skill. You build first, okay? Slowly you will encounter more problem, tapi you know how to solve the problem, okay? Ketiga. Keempat, leading the change, okay? I leading the change when I starting is I change my image first, okay? Sebab selepas I study, saya umur 23, okay? So actually saya tadi sudah nampak gambar lah. I kerja dalam lab, I tata take care myself image punya. Rambut, nanti saya balik itu kasih tengok I punya gambar. You tengok I punya lampu okay, actually tak kemas punya. That is why sebab when I doing lab work, I ikat I punya lampu. So when I after lab work okay, so you boleh nampak lah, okay, bawa I punya lampu. Kita cakap macam apa? Macam sapu lah, tahu tak? Macam sapu. So you can know, this is how I change myself at first. Okay, I know I need to change image, change by become a professional people. Okay, so I can lead my team. Okay, leading the change. Okay, banyak changing saya ada buat lah. Nanti I tunjuk gambar. Saya tak tahu how to cooking. Saya pun use Toza pressure cooker to cook, to show to people. I tak tahu how to iron the baju. I pun buat demo for people. Sebab bukan I suka ironing baju. Bukan saya suka masak, tahu tak? Sebab I faham apa, kalau hari ini, okay, I just learn how to tekan the pressure cooker punya button and then I cook satu bihun, fried bihun ada apa, I can change my life. So I willing to do that. I do that is because I like or don't like. It's because I know I need to do that. I need to let people to know the function. The people will buy the product, got the PV, and then got the market. Then people will introduce other people, so my business can be expand. Okay, so this is something that I'm willing to change at the beginning. Bukan saya suka, okay, tapi I like to do the thing to reach my result. Okay, everything, the last one lies and fall on leadership. Okay, without leadership, okay, without a strong, kita cakap strong basic punya itu, kita cakap punya business volume. Okay, so at first, okay, you have to counsel you with your mentor first. Okay, you have to understand. Because our mentor have to understand your challenge part, okay? So you have to do communicate first before I go to my topic, okay? So communication and counsel sangat penting. Ada apa masalah? Goes up, don't goes down, okay? Apa yang you don't know, apa you feel like you weak, don't show kasih orang down, show to your mentor, okay? Let your mentor guide you how to become a stronger people, okay? So when you ada new business partner pun tanya mereka punya impian, because sometimes, okay, orang because of impian will stay in this business, okay? Dia bukan siapa bawa dia masuk yang because of the impian. So you need to learn, okay, how is your business partner thinking, okay? Learn, okay, and then can cooperate what we done, okay? So soft skill, okay. 6 soft skill I'm gonna introduce for everyone. First is ability of berbual-bual, okay. Boleh berbual-bual dengan auntie, uncle, berbual-bual dengan kawan-kawan, colleague tak? Okay, itu ini ability I mentioned during our home meeting, okay. Sebab apa? Ini business we must connect with people, okay. We not only connect with kita punya kawan, kita punya kita cakap sendiri punya workplace. We need to connect with everyone at outside, okay. This is a lifestyle business. Sometimes we beli barang, we will meet with people with ability to berbual-bual, okay. Jati kawan first tak? Okay, always I say you learn to jati kawan with others, okay. Because maybe you feel like you no need, tapi in this business we need network, we need name list, so you need to learn how to become friends with others. Okay, so if you are a student in this business, okay, I also encourage you, okay, strengthen your punya contents, you punya topic, talk with people. Okay, sebab when you come to work society, you need to become friend of colleague, you need to become friend from your customer. So this is something, the ability that can help you to generate income. Okay, check. Okay, this is the leader. A leader, they actually keep talking one. They're able to keep talking. Okay, this is something, the character you must be built yourself. Okay, but doesn't mean that, okay, you're talking until you feel tired. No, okay, you're talking because you have patience. Something you let people to see different. Okay, but when at night, okay, you don't need to talk. Okay, when you reach your last time, 10 p.m., 11 p.m., you can raise well, you can study a books, okay? You can calm down yourself, do some reflection, okay? So you still are you, just like, okay, you have different ability, okay, already forming up on it, okay? They must be very clear. You are not changing to another brand new people. You still you, okay? So, but this is something ability you have to cultivate yourself, okay? Second, personal character, okay? Personal character, when people look at Susan, okay, they have some character they can describe me already, okay? Maybe Susan sangat hardworking lah, Susan sangat pandai lah, apa-apa pun boleh lah. So you have to build some personal character. This is your personal branding. When people think about you, they know what is your position, okay? They know how is the person character, okay? For example, when talk about Fatima, my business partner, okay? So they will, dia punya business partner akan rasa, Puan Fatima sangat best lah, sangat friendly lah, okay? So it's something they have to let people to pop out at their mind, okay? What is the character? So you need to ask your mentor. My strength, okay, maybe my strength is I like to help people, okay? So I go to build up my strength and let people to have this kind of the personal character, to have this kind of description, okay? When they talk about me, okay, they have this kind of description which is positive, okay? So because positive can attract positive people, okay? Ketiga, be a mentor, solve problem, okay? Learn to solve problem. Don't kita cakap ada problem datang, takut, okay? Tak tanya how to solve, tapi ignore the problem, okay? Actually, this is a problem, like sometimes the people is come to a person, character is like a fixed mindset people, or they will avoid the problem, okay? But here at TQG, we are learn to become a grow mindset people. Later I explain what's the meaning of grow mindset, the meaning of the fixed mindset. Keempat, excited, confident of product. A leader must be use your own product, okay, to show people the performance, the result of the product. Let people to understand the business core value, okay, to understand the product, okay, what is the usage of the product, okay. From your personal, they already know, okay, what is the product that you carry on. For example, makeup, okay, do you make up, okay. For example, okay, I using my own shop, okay, hair color to dye my hair, okay. My jam tangan is a body key wash, okay, in body wash, okay. So people will know, okay, what is the product, okay, your body size, okay, you are carry on, okay. 5, be a role model, okay. You hope you punya business partner, okay, can list down name list. Can you first to show them what is the meaning or list down name list, okay. You show them, okay, you want them to have STP, you STP first. Everything you hope in your team, you do it first. Be a role model, okay. Okay, be a reader, okay, because always a leader is a okay, always a good leader is from a reader, okay, and then jadi a follower at the same time, okay. So there is something okay, important point I want to tunjuk for everyone, okay. So every people they actually coming from two kind of the mindset. One is grow maksudnya dia percaya sendiri boleh berjaya, okay. Lagi pun, okay, they actually willing to improve, okay, willing to learn more, okay. So they don't think like every kind of meeting is the same, sama saja. Yang meeting pun cakap sama-sama. Mana ada sama? You tell me. Today Susan cakap ni punya content. Next time mana ada satu orang cakap content yang sama dengan I? Betul tak? Mungkin topik yang sama, tapi dalam mesti tak sama. Because every people have different way of present. Okay? They have different experience. Betul tak? Okay? So if let's say today, okay, kita cakap same meeting, but if people have two different mind. One people fixed mindset, sama, meeting sama. The other one is grow mindset, tak sama. Memang tak sama. Mana ada sama? Betul? Sebab dia setiap kali attend meeting, they know the difference. Okay? So, fixed mindset people, they actually tak nak change punya. Okay? Ayah, I orang yang stingy punya lah. I orang yang fussy punya, I tak nak change punya lah. Okay, tapi grow mindset tahu orang yang people macam ni, dia tahu when start to do the business, okay, they have to change mindset from fixed to grow. They start to change the character, change habit, okay. So kita cakap ni, kita cakap through you check with people, you also akan faham. You punya kawan actually yang fixed mindset, grow mindset. Actually you boleh change their mindset. Once their mindset change, okay, mereka akan follow your way. Sebab why? You able to influence and educate the people, and then you know the people. So you know what kind of the topic that you can talk with. So check with people, okay? Sebab ni memang kena ada sikit skill. Tapi, okay, kita cakap all the skill is coming from other skill. Other skill maksudnya apa? Tanya orang lah, cik you hari ni makan apa, sarapan sudah makan tak? Good morning, good afternoon. Start from the basic one, okay? So, and learn step by step, okay? Learn how to keep connect and learn how to build a very strong connection with the people, okay? This is something is very important, okay? You nak jadi leader dalam business ni, you ada name list, okay? Ability to chat with people, no? Okay, this is something very important, okay? Talk today, talk future, okay? All can talk, okay? Willing to talk with people, no? First thing, okay? Chat with people, okay? Secondly, the importance of personality trait, okay? So here ada dua personality trait. One is positive, the other one is negative, okay? So whatever the positive show you, okay, all the term, okay, you jadi the person like that lah, helpful, okay, humble, okay, you cakap optimistic, okay, orang cakap ni tak boleh benar, you mesti always cakap boleh, can do it, okay, I cannot do one, no, you can do it, always give people positive benar mindset. So it's important personality trait that you can build, okay, trusting, okay, people, orang tanya saya apa, saya try to find out the answer, even though sometimes I don't know the answer, tapi I find out sebab I rasa orang tanya maksudnya saya ada responsible to answer people, okay? Sebab I nak build trust dengan new people. So I learn, I akan tanya I punya mentor, I cari Google, okay? Study myself, okay? This is my positive trait. You can learn to have those positive trait, okay? Avoid all this kind of negative trait, okay? Macam apa? Rude, okay? Macam apa? Stingy, okay? I tell you lah, rude, stingy, unfriendly, okay? Simply I pick 2 or 3, if let's say Susan hari ini macam orang ni you akan tak nak dengar I punya sharing already, you akan leave the chat group already. Betul? Okay? One of them, okay, lazy, okay, dishonest, something like that lah. So you already can differentiate, okay, what kind of people is a good people, okay, grow mindset people, what kind of people is a negative people, okay, I mean like it's a fixed mindset people. So be aware, don't become the people like that, okay, don't be aware, okay. So lagipun, okay, you nak let people to feel your personality very strong, apa soft skill you boleh buat, okay? Semua orang ada Facebook, ada WeChat, posting inspiration, positive, let people to feel your warm attitude. Boleh tak? Okay? Warm attitude, no complaint, no content in Facebook punya content. Sebab ini open public, people will look at you. Wow, what is the people like you? Sebab sometimes you are down, people don't know one, okay? People will judge you by cover or book. Okay, so always we say like that. So you have to be aware. So I also nampak I founder EDC Misan. Wah, setiap hari post itu apa? Nutritional breakfast. Okay, dia mix itu body key, mix itu rechiting E. Wah, semua dalam satu cup. Okay, dia post. Okay, I punya banyak business partner pun add dia punya Facebook, okay? Dia nampak, dia tanya saya, Susan, misal itu rechiting E dia yang blender sekali ke atau dia separate makan? Saya cakap, kenapa you tanya this? Dia cakap, I nak follow lah sebab misal lawa lah, kulus lah, dan dia punya Facebook look sangat, dia punya itu page, dia punya itu foto, look sangat attractive lah. Also I nak follow. Wah, misal don't know my business partner one tapi my punya business partner nak beli itu nutritional breakfast dah sama-sama set dengan Misan. Wah, saya nampak. Okay, if you know how to saving your capital, okay, in Facebook, WeChat, you boleh influence people. Oh, okay, you boleh influence people. Start from today, can you do this? Okay. Ketiga, lead people in one direction. Okay, everyone come to our business with different age and different background. Some people will slow, some people will fast. Depends on dia sendiri punya kita cakap ability lah. Okay. Tapi dulu saya listen satu Diamond punya sharing, Diamond Justin How. Dia cakap doing this business okay, you can become successful very fast. Okay. First, if let's say you have strong financial background. Okay. Kedua, you have a right method, you also can successful very fast. I put orang yang bukan ada strong punya financial background sebab I 23, today saya pun 27, okay? Mana saya kaya, ada apa, kita cakap, for example, credit limit pun tak cukup, tapi I still can do the business sebab TQG provide us the second, is the, kita cakap, correct punya method. Okay, I use this correct punya method. Okay, I work hard. Okay, work hard for 2 years. I can achieve my platinumship. Okay, and then not reach 30 years old, I can able to achieve the platinumship. So I nampak, okay, hari ini actually TQG actually already lead people in the direction. You are in the direction or not? If you in the direction, you can lead by example. Okay, I use this method. Okay, I lead people become core performer. So I have my 21% network. Okay, I follow the system. You need to follow with me because I follow system. Okay, so we always let the system punya method, system punya way of direction. Okay, we use in ourselves first, then we able to influence people to follow. Okay, lagi pun, okay, actually system actually ada cakap lah, you nak cepat berjaya atau lambat berjaya is up to your own decision. Okay, so you can create people punya mindset. Okay, so always when I talk with my 30-year, 40-year business partner, I always say you know time, you mesti work cepat. Sebab lepas 10 year, lagi muda tapi you sudah tua, you have to work cepat. Okay, we able to influence people to work fast with us. Okay, tapi every time before you say what you should do, okay, we also will ask, okay, what you will do. Okay, so maksudnya this is for me lah, sebab I muda mah. Okay, so I cannot act like a boss or CEO. Okay, saya akan give direction tapi I akan tanya how do you think. Okay, how do you think? You have other thinking or not? We see we can work out on the plan or not. Okay, so we can work together. Okay, so we suggest the direction. Okay, this is something the character you must be build yourself. Okay, build yourself. Okay, learn to be friend with your business partner. Okay, lead them. Okay, in direction. Mereka mesti ada satu goal. Okay, goal di business ni jadi CPCF. Kalau tak capai CPCF, okay, how to become a 100% user first, then jadi a CPCF. Okay, we have to understand their problem and lead them. Okay, inspire people. Okay, motivate them. Okay, so that is why kita cakap at the beginning, saya sudah cakap, you mesti tahu mereka punya dream, okay, mereka punya current life, okay, what is your dream life, okay, if you no need worry money, how do you spend your time, okay, so many people maybe will choose spend with family, okay, go traveling, so always you can use this kind of message to motivate them, sebab you know apa yang mereka nak. So come to a point also, do you really know your business partner or not? Do you really concern them? Okay, so if you really concern them, I can guarantee, okay, you will be build a very big team, okay, without any bothering, okay. So keempat, okay, excited with your own shop, okay. Ini muka 5 years ago, bukan 5 years lah, actually 6-7 years ago. Ini I pernah muka okay, I kerja dalam water lab testing punya itu lab masa tu, going for internship. Okay, sebab itu lab punya environment pun dah baik lah. Okay, so kita guna punya produk, kita pun lab punya itu apparatus banyak yang acidic punya. So during the 3-5 months I at the lab my skin actually totally kita cakap sudah damage already lah. Okay, blemish lah, okay, black spot lah, okay, sangat merah punya face when I exposed to the sunlight. Okay, tapi when I start to do the business, I start to using East Spring to wash my face, okay, I use shampoo, okay, and then I change my product, I show the performance of the product. Sekarang you nampak I punya muka, nampak okay tak sekarang? Better than the photo, right? Okay, so I very confident with my own product, so I very confident in doing this business. Okay, so you have to start to use the product. Okay, sebab ini panggil changing brand saja. When you talk with people, you already cakap this is a prosumer concept, but you changing brand or not? If you're not changing brand, which means you still tak faham apa maksudnya prosumer. So you have to tanya your mentor. Okay, so if a leader does not use own product, okay, to show the performance to others, okay, you cannot build out your leadership also. You're very hard to build out. Okay, so 4, excited, and then this is all your testimony. Build your own testimony. For example, if you say you punya muka is already very good, it's okay. You build your body size, boleh tak? From M size to S size. Okay, you have a lot of things you can change one. Don't worry one. Okay, mesti ada satu product can change your appearance atau change your inner. Okay, you look for the product. Okay, macam saya punya business partner, ada orang cakap dia sentiasa rasa tired, okay, dia kerja sampai tengah hari, lepas lunch dia sudah nak tidur, okay, tapi after makan double S dia rasa dia actually ada stamina, okay, dia ada energy, okay, sustain until malam. Wah, ini yang dia punya testimoni, can improve many people yang tak ada energy, sentiasa rasa tired punya orang, okay, boleh take the supplement, okay, to build their own testimony. Okay, number 5, okay, so doing is better than perfect. Okay, this is something kita cakap lead by example. Okay, we build the business, we always which apa okay, I punya business partner boleh guna artistry lah, e-spring lah, Potiki lah, boleh jual Potiki lah, jual e-spring lah, jual artistry lah. Tapi you ada jual by yourself bukan jual lah, you ada build your ability to let people to use your product or not. So apa yang I from the beginning my mentor cakap, okay, you do yourself, you keep doing, always say you keep doing, your team will follow, okay. At the end my team really follow me. Okay, this is something I appreciate me at the beginning. Okay, I work hard on it. Okay, I sharing e-spring. Okay, then I teach my business partner how I sharing e-spring. Okay, I do new biosip demo. Masa I do demo macam ni okay, ini demo actually I do dengan kita punya diamond sekali. Tapi I do one more time to an auntie. Auntie cakap ini apa? Dia tak faham apa ABC Ultimate Solution. Tapi tak apa. Sebab auntie tengok saya sangat serius dia beli produk ini. Sebab dia nampak saya sangat serius. So I nampak sikit different yang sometimes we are not only sharing or job. People look at your attitude. Look at your passionate also. Okay. I don't know how to use the skincare product. I follow my Dermosonic to my customer. Dia sendiri guna. Sebab I tolong dia guna, dia rasa sakit tau tak. Sebab I punya skill no good. Okay. Tapi end out dia pun beli Dermosonic, pun beli artistry. Okay. So banyak testimony, my life as my story. Okay. So this is all the story that I use to motivate, inspire my business partner. You no need to worry about you cannot do it. Okay. You are not a best. Okay. Jangan takut you tak boleh buat. Okay. Sebab saya buat, saya pun bukan pandai baru buat. Saya buat baru pandai, okay? Dulu first time buat semua I rasa boleh tanya Kak Fatimah lah, okay? Contohnya apa? Kita buat iron itu iron I tak ada guna so I pergi saya punya business partner punya rumah guna itu iron. Tapi I tak tahu itu pattern di mana so I itu steam tak boleh keluar. Saya macam tu pun buat demo. Okay, kasih Kak Fatimah punya jiran business partner I pun buat macam tu. Okay, I bukan pandai baru buat, tapi I buat sekarang I pandai lah. You nak I ironing apa baju, apa seluar I boleh. Okay already. Okay, you tengok banyak pressure nozzle pressure cooker. Okay, ini I rasa dulu I rasa kita sangat hebat lah ada 5 nozzle cooker. Tapi sampai hari ini I rasa kita memang hebat sebab kita bukan 5 keluar, kita 30 biji keluar punya nozzle cooker. 20-30 biji. Tapi we started from when we starting to have this strength, okay, to have this market is we started from 4-5 biji nozzle cooker to demo first. Lepas tu customer introduce customer, then kita boleh 1 bulan keluar 20-30 punya nozzle cooker. Okay, and at the beginning I'm the first one do the nozzle cooker demo. I'm the first one okay, I punya bihun tak sedap punya, okay, I punya telur pun tak sedap punya. Tapi my spirit inspire my business partner go to learn themselves. Sekarang mereka hebat daripada I, okay. So kita cakap being genius is not enough lah, okay. It take courage to change people heart. Something this is the leadership character lah, okay. Bukan you sangat pandai tapi kita nampak you attitude baik, okay, you willing to change, okay, you willing to do a lot of things, contribute to your team, okay. Ni you tengok 2 set Nutrilite ini bukan I personal sales ini I business partner punya sales sebab dia nak fighting super core. I assist her provide professional knowledge. Wah, sangat happy. Okay, we have 2 set. Okay, Nutrilite promotion. Wah, over 1,000 punya product. Okay, dia sangat happy. Dia achieve dia punya super core at the end. So we help people to achieve their goal first. Okay. So of course, after I help her, I also helping myself. Okay, I also achieve my Q. Okay, so I complete my platinum. Okay, so last thing. Lepas tu dengar Susan cakap apa-apa hari ini, okay, actually this is something like kita cakap bukan sangat new, tapi this is my story. It's mean banyak leader pun cakap yang sama before, tapi story memang different. Sebab mana ada orang sama-sama dengan Susan going through the same thing, impossible. Okay, so tapi hari ini actually I provide a new mindset for everyone. Okay, you don't need a new day to start over. Lepas hari ini you dengar I punya story, okay, actually you bukan just tired tidur saja, bukan you kena build something in your mind. Sebab in the other day you have a new mindset to start over your new day. You will have new action, okay. You will set your new goal, okay. Capai tak capai is okay. Keep setting your new goal. Sebab life goes on. A leader is like, okay, we set a goal tapi tak capai is okay. Tapi life goes on. We keep setting. Okay, one day we confirm we can like Diamond Mr. Kim, Miss Chan, like founder EDC, Misan, Kikoju, we can achieve diamond ship. Okay, I believe in TQG. Okay, so prepare mind. Okay, something you have to prepare lah for sekarang lah. Okay, tadi kita ada baca buku. Okay, kita ada MP3 sharing. Okay, this is a wisdom word. The more that you read, the more thing you will know. The more that you learn, the more place you will go. If you don't like your result, change your approach. Okay, first approach, baca buku pun sangat penting. Okay, sebab you nak build out your readership character, you have a lot of things you can look, you can study from the books actually. Especially system already arranged the title of book for you to read. Okay, so this is something I nak advise semua orang hari ini. Before I end my sharing, okay, can you have a habit, okay, habit in the 8 core step, okay, in the 4, 5, 6, which means baca buku, listen MP3 daily, okay, apa MP3 saya recommend, ini book I recommend lah, okay, actually from here, kita is from learn, unlearn and relearn. Every time we are going on the step like that, learn, okay, kita mesti cakap unlearn first, unlearn, we learn again. After we learn again, we learn. Okay, this is very important. When I read some books, mention something like that. Okay, and then stay open. Begin at the beginning. Okay, when you start to do the business, 8 core step follow strictly. Okay, begins at the beginning. Stay open. Look for mirror. Look for mirror. I mean, I look for a correct mentor to correct your thinking, correct your way. Examine your belief. Okay, please strengthen your belief. You can become diamond. You can become diamond. You are a diamond. Okay, so apa book boleh baca? I would recommend lah. Sini. Ini for readership punya. Okay, this is the book you can go to look for the book. Okay, so and then apa MP3, okay, you must repeat and repeat listening, okay, to strengthen your belief. Okay, better understanding of TQG, 3 kuasa, 48355, okay, past, present, future. Okay, better understanding of TQG, I listen twice. Okay, after I listen twice, I end up with 2 points on it. Okay, Dr. Wong cakap, you want to up thing change your life, mesti ada PV. Okay, dia cakap this one is not a business like main-main, mesti kena untung duit. You untung duit, so you can change your PV. You can change your life. So starting from 3%, you punya annual money income 3%. Every month you boleh capai dah. You aja capai 3%, no matter 30 ringgit, 50 ringgit you dapat. You able to influence people, nak untung 30 ringgit dan 50 ringgit punya orang, look for you. Okay? Lepas saya kumpul banyak orang nak untung 30-50 ringgit dengan saya, I boleh up to 6%. I can start to untung few hundred. If I able to untung few hundred, I able to influence people who want to untung few hundred with me. So I able to untung few thousand. Okay, this is Dr. Wong and Celia mention dalam MP3. Lagipun business ni yang actually suitable for those people who know time. Kalau you rasa you tak ada masa, you build this business ni. Sebab business ni kasih you masa, kasih you fortune. Okay, those is some important point I already sharing today. You boleh listen balik. Okay, it's all very important wisdom word from Dr. Wong and Celia. Okay, plug in the meeting as a leader. Okay, you must plug in the meeting. Or you want to learn to become a leader, you also must plug in the meeting. Okay, only leader can build leader. Okay, so self-improve, breakthrough, okay. Tapi kita pada business partner lah, kalau kita tak faham, lambat lagi, kasih patient lah, okay, patient, mesti patient, okay. Macam Mr. Key dulu, I umur 21 join, tapi I betul-betul join the meeting, start build is 23, sebab 2 tahun I study di university, tapi Mr. Key kasih saya masa. So saya appreciate lah, dia tak ada give out saya lah, okay. Leader will very giving chance, okay, and believe in you all. Okay, everything can be fast. Okay, be efficient and be self-efficacy. Okay, because of the master, I don't talk more lah. Okay, mungkin at in the next meeting, I able to sharing more. Sebab self-efficacy is something I really encourage everyone need to go to such distance. Self-efficacy maksudnya how you complete all the tasks your work within a limited time. Maksudnya dalam 2 hour free time, you can do everything. If let's say you brain well, you can work on your plan. You can finish within the time frame lah. You can reach your goal within a month. Okay, build more leader, you can become diamond. Okay, thank you. Okay, so once again, thank you for my mentor. This is all my mentor. Okay, before I end my sharing today, okay, I want to sharing a book with you all lah, Think and Grow Rich Think. Okay, so I nak study satu point with all of you. Okay, everyone listen Okay, if you think you are beaten, you are. If you think you dare not, you don't. If you like to win, you think you can. It is almost certain you won. If you think you lose, you lost. Okay, for out of the world we find, success begins with a fellow views. It's all in the state of mind. If you think you are outclassed, you are. You got to think high to rise. You got to be sure of yourself before you can ever win a prize. Life's battles don't always go to the stronger or faster man, but soon or later, the man who wins is the man who thinks he can. Okay, I'm sharing the book Think and Grow Rich. Okay, page 47 and 48, suitable for everyone. Okay, buy this book at the book access Madeni, 17 ringgit 19 cents only. Okay, go to buy this book. Okay, that's my sharing. Thank you.